Why we don't believe that we can do it better? We have to believe, you have to be positive to try to change the things, to play as Manchester United fans want and the history of the club. This is why we're not going to give up.
The Al Nassr star is renowned for being one of the most athletic players in football history, but how did he attain his top condition? There is no player in world football that has drawn more plaudits for his physical qualities and dedication to his craft than Cristiano Ronaldo. The Al Nassr and Portugal star boasts an extraordinary set of athletic skills, combining rapid pace and agility with elite aerial ability and power. Ronaldo was not born with those traits, though. The rippling physique we see today is a marked transformation from the skinny teenager that arrived at Manchester United from Sporting back in 2003. So how was the incredible athlete and five-time Ballon d'Or winner created? With the help of 15 fitness tips Ronaldo revealed himself, Goal takes a look at the secrets behind his strength and speed. When in the gym, Ronaldo's main workout is split between cardiovascular training, such as running and rowing, and weights. Mix it up, Ronaldo advises. As well as keeping things interesting, it's important to ensure all areas of the body are targeted and exercises improve both strength and stamina. On the pitch, the focus is on high-intensity drills that reflect match situations. We do a lot of sprinting drills in training, and they can be incorporated into your workout whether you are in the gym or outdoors, Ronaldo says. Try and add it to every workout you do. Workouts are not restricted to the time Ronaldo spent at training facilities, though. Fit and exercise wherever you can,
with a
he
highly
adds.
disciplined fitness
You can do an
regime.
abs workout in your bedroom when you wake up in the morning or before you go to bed. If you get into a routine, then it makes it easier as it will become a habit. Cristiano Ronaldo, born on the island of Madeira and now considered Portugal's most famous son, is a global football superstar known for his extraordinary athleticism and dedication to fitness. Rising from humble beginnings, Ronaldo's journey to football stardom is marked by relentless hard work and an unparalleled work ethic. His workout routine is rigorous and diverse, incorporating cardio, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, strength training, technical drills, and health hacks. Let's learn more about Ronaldo's incredible workout regimen to help him maintain his peak fitness. When it comes to his body, the Madeiran-born athlete has left absolutely nothing to chance for many years. He meticulously sticks to a diet plan that his sports physicians and nutritionists have tailored precisely to him. Ronaldo has his in-house chef prepare at least 6 meals a day that are not too big. In order to complete his high-training workload, he needs a boost of energy every 3 hours. The best training doesn't help if it's not combined with a good diet, he says. I eat a high-protein diet with lots of whole-grain products, eat fruit and vegetables, and avoid all sugary foods. That's why you won't find any sodas in Ronaldo's house. What does Cristiano Ronaldo eat? Owning the best car means little if you don't fuel it properly, and Cristiano Ronaldo applies this same philosophy to his body. It's no surprise that he takes his diet extremely seriously. As he puts it, a great workout needs to go hand in hand with a healthy diet. His eating habits center around a high-protein plan with a focus on whole-grain carbs, fruits, and vegetables, while steering clear of sugary foods. Ronaldo has worked with a personal nutritionist since his Real Madrid days, following a routine of 6 small meals a day, spaced every 3 to 4 hours, to maintain consistent energy levels. He's especially fond of fish, with swordfish, sea bass, and sea bream topping his list of favorites. His go-to dish is bacalhau à brás, a traditional Portuguese meal made with cod, onions, thinly sliced potatoes, and scrambled eggs. Alongside fish, he consumes a lot of lean proteins and fresh fruits. When dining out, Ronaldo keeps it simple and fresh, often opting for a steak with salad. He avoids anything frozen, ensuring that everything on his plate is freshly prepared. What does Cristiano Ronaldo eat for breakfast? Ronaldo starts his day with a balanced meal, often enjoying a combination of cheese, ham, low-fat yogurt, plenty of fruit, and avocado toast. Eating regularly is key, Ronaldo emphasizes. If you train frequently, it's essential to maintain high energy levels to power your body and enhance performance. I sometimes have up to 6 small meals a day to ensure I stay energized for every training session. Staying hydrated is just as crucial. Drinking water is extremely important, he stresses. To keep his body in peak condition, Ronaldo makes a few sacrifices, notably avoiding alcohol and carbonated drinks. What does Cristiano Ronaldo eat on cheat days? Even the fittest athletes allow themselves the occasional indulgence, and Cristiano Ronaldo is no exception. While stars like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson are known for sharing their epic cheat meals, often involving stacks of sugary pancakes, Ronaldo's idea of a cheat meal is far more restrained. For Ronaldo, pizza is about as indulgent as it gets. According to former Manchester United goalkeeper Lee Grant, the five-time Ballon d'Or winner tends to avoid most sugary treats, even during team meals. When you finish dinner, especially on a Friday night, there's usually some cheat food available, like apple crumble, brownies with cream, or something similar, Grant recalls. But let me tell you, not a single player touched the crumble or went for a brownie because everyone was curious to see what Ronaldo had on his plate. We were sneaking a look, and sure enough, it was the cleanest, healthiest plate you could imagine. It was hilarious how none of the players dared go near the junk food after that. What are Cristiano Ronaldo's other secrets to success? For Ronaldo, healthy living isn't just a part-time commitment. It's a lifestyle he follows consistently. Discipline. Ronaldo emphasizes that success requires both physical and mental strength. You need to train your mind as well as your body, he says. Mental strength is just as crucial as physical strength, and it plays a huge role in helping you reach your goals. Being disciplined is non-negotiable for Ronaldo. Staying motivated and sticking to your routine is essential, he explains. There's no room for slacking off, so I have to be strict with myself. He suggests setting goals and working with a training partner to introduce competition and companionship into your routine, which can make it more engaging and enjoyable. Outside of training, Ronaldo strives to keep a relaxed lifestyle, despite the global attention he attracts. Training and physical sessions are a priority, he says, but maintaining a relaxed lifestyle helps me perform at my best, both physically and mentally. He spends much of his downtime with family and friends, which, according to him, helps him stay positive and maintain a calm, focused mindset. Regular naps. One unique aspect of Cristiano Ronaldo's fitness routine is his approach to sleep. Instead of the conventional 8 hours a night, Ronaldo opts for 5 90-minute naps throughout the day. This method aligns with advice from Professor Nick Littlehalls, who suggests in his book, Sleep, The Myth of 8 Hours, The Power of Naps, and the New Plan to Recharge Your Body and Mind, that athletes benefit more from 5 shorter naps rather than a single, uninterrupted night's sleep. Ronaldo takes this strategy seriously, and according to the Daily Mail, his commitment to structured rest even became an inside joke during his second stint at Manchester United. Some of his teammates humorously referenced his disciplined napping during celebrations, reflecting how it's become a hallmark of his relentless dedication to peak performance. Cold and heat therapy. Ronaldo, like many modern athletes, places great importance on recovery, incorporating both cold and heat therapies into his routine. A key part of his recovery is cryotherapy, which involves exposure to extremely low temperatures. This can include sessions in a cryo chamber or taking ice baths to reduce inflammation and speed up muscle recovery. In addition to cold therapy, Ronaldo also uses heat therapy to aid relaxation and recovery. Whether it's spending time in a sauna or using heat massage tools, he makes sure his body gets the care it needs to perform at the highest level. Incorporating a challenging mix of high-intensity sprints, targeted weights, cardio, Pilates, and swimming, CR7 works out 5 days a week. According to Men of Many, Ronaldo works out for 3 to 4 hours at a time and targets different muscle groups and different days of the week. When Ronaldo shared his weekend workout, he encouraged everyone to write down their daily exercise plan so they can train without stopping. He also stresses the importance of training your mind as well as your body, so make sure to leave time for this as well. Ronaldo's remarkable speed and strength are the results of rigorous strength training. His workout regimen integrates body weight and resistance exercises along with weightlifting to forge a powerful physique. Key elements of his strength program include compound movements like bench presses, deadlifts, and squats, deadlifts, which are essential for muscle growth and enhanced strength. This disciplined approach to fitness underpins his ability to perform at the highest levels in football, which highlights the importance of strength training in his workout. Cristiano Ronaldo's diet is a masterclass in balance and discipline that incorporates a rich variety of foods such as eggs, steak, bread, and what Ronaldo calls magical chicken, for being high in protein and still low in fat. Like any good Portuguese, he also eats a lot of fish. His favorite dish is bacalhau à brás, a Portuguese dish that consists of salted cod, onions, potatoes, olives, and eggs. If you're trying to follow Ronald's diet, you will be pleased to hear that he also occasionally indulges in sweet treats such as chocolate cake. Maintaining the energy required for Ronaldo's demanding profession and his sculpted physique requires careful planning. To fuel his body efficiently, Ronaldo splits his food intake into 6 smaller meals throughout the day, spaced 2 to 4 hours apart. This approach helps boost his metabolism and prevents hunger. A personal nutritionist, who has been working with him since his Real Madrid days, plays a key role in designing and timing these meals to ensure Ronaldo gets the right nutrients at the right times to sustain his peak performance. Ronaldo's hydration habits: up to 6 liters of water daily. Staying hydrated is essential for everyone, but even more so for elite athletes like Ronaldo. While the U.S. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine recommend that the average man consume around 3.7 liters of water daily and 2.7 liters for women, Ronaldo reportedly drinks up to 6 liters each day. This high water intake helps flush out waste from the body and ensures his joints stay lubricated and cushioned, critical for someone performing at the highest level of professional football. Ronaldo's hydration strategy plays a key role in keeping him active, alert, and injury-free. Ronaldo's stance on sugary drinks: water over soft drinks. It's no surprise that someone who drinks as much water as Ronaldo steers clear of sugary beverages. While sugary drinks can offer a quick energy boost, Ronaldo avoids them entirely, emphasizing the importance of water for hydration. His stance aligns with health advice from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, which warns that regular consumption of sugary drinks is linked to various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Ronaldo's dedication to clean nutrition is a key part of his strategy to maintain peak health and performance. To enhance his recovery at home, Cristiano Ronaldo invested €45,000 in a personal cryotherapy chamber. He uses it twice a week, with each session lasting about 3 minutes. These sessions expose his body to temperatures as low as -160 degrees Celsius, helping reduce muscle soreness and promote strength building. The cryotherapy chamber relies on liquid nitrogen canisters to keep it running, requiring regular refills. Ronaldo first encountered this advanced recovery technology at his local gym, following the trend of other top athletes. Notably, former Real Madrid star Raul was also known to use cryotherapy for recovery. Ronaldo's choice to avoid alcohol. Cristiano Ronaldo's decision to abstain from alcohol is profoundly personal, stemming from his father's battles with alcoholism. His father tragically passed away at the age of 52 due to alcohol-related issues. For Ronaldo, this choice serves as both a tribute to his father and a strategic decision for his health and football career, given the detrimental effects alcohol can have on physical performance and heart health. Additionally, Ronaldo was diagnosed with a heart condition at the age of 15 that necessitated surgery, further reinforcing his commitment to maintaining optimal health by steering clear of alcohol. This disciplined approach underscores his dedication to both his well-being and his professional success. Cristiano Ronaldo's commitment to a disciplined lifestyle and rigorous health regimen sets him apart as one of the greatest athletes of our time. From his 6-meal-a-day approach and hydration habits to the investment in a cryotherapy chamber and avoidance of alcohol, every choice he makes is meticulously calculated to optimize his performance and well-being. By prioritizing mental strength, regular naps, and a balanced diet, Ronaldo embodies the dedication and resilience needed to excel at the highest level. If you found this insight into Ronaldo's lifestyle inspiring, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content about the habits of top athletes and their secrets to success. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. And remember to share this with your friends and press the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads.